So welcome back. In this tutorial you will learn which wireless adapter you should buy for wireless penetration testing. So to hack a Wi-Fi network you need a wireless card which supports monitor mode and packet injection. Now for those who don't know, monitor mode allows you to capture data sent and received by wireless devices, and packet injection allows you to inject malicious packets into a network. Now, the first step before you buy a wireless adapter is to identify the chipset for the wireless card. And here you can see a list of the chipsets that supports monitor mode and packet injection. So make sure the adapter which you want to buy contains a compatible chipset. Okay, now let's see how to test the wireless card for monitor mode and packet injection. And to do that, I'm going to switch to my Kali Linux machine and open the terminal. Now, if you are a complete beginner and you don't know how to install Kali Linux, watch my Wi-Fi hacking for beginners course. So here in the terminal, type iwconfig to display all the wireless interfaces on your system. And you can see the wireless interface name is WLAN 0. Now let's put the wireless card into monitor mode by typing rmon ng start WLAN 0 and then type iwconfig again, and you should see a new interface named WLAN 0 mon with the mode monitor. This means the card has been successfully put into monitor mode. Okay, now let's test the wireless card for packet injection. And to do that, type airplay ng --test WLAN 0 mon and press enter to start the test. And you can see the injection is working. And here on the last line, the percentage should be 100 or a very high percentage. And if the number is 0, then it means that your wireless card does not support injection. So, thanks for watching and I will see you next time.